memories of, yeah, it just, I don't know, it just wasn't good. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we is doing a vlog of my day. I'm about to get my hair done, about to get this my balayage refreshed, just to lift it because it's a bit dark at the minute. So I'm gonna go and have this done. We're gonna lift my hair a little bit more, blend it just a bit as well, and then I need to go to B&Q and get some paint because we're in the house now, honey, which you probably would have seen, or if not, if I'm posting this before with the other stuff. Girl, we in the house, and I need to get some paint. I've got some amazing paint choices, and it's going to be an amazing transformation for my bedroom and my bathroom, starting with this. Cannot wait. I've bought with these glitters to mix in with the paints as well. It's amazing. Amazing. So I'm just about, the salon is like behind me, so I'm just waiting for my stylist to text me, and then I can go in. Got my face covering, and oh, I got my hairstylist some really nice flowers because she's a really sweet person, so it'll be fun. Bag of the day is my Chanel GST in white, or I guess beige cream, but it's white. It was white at one point. Yeah. Also, this is a bit random, but I got this book. I found it in Oxfam. Did you know Oxfam have an online shop? Like, I didn't know this, and yeah. So, oh my gosh, the back's in French. Is this book in French? Oh my god, the whole book's in French. Am I stupid? The whole book is in French. Why did I buy a French edition? Okay, well, I guess what the hell? I guess I won't be reading this. Why is it in French? Okay. I either got to learn French or find the English version of this book. I just figured it out because it's in French here, and I thought, oh, I swear it said it was English. Oh well. Well, the book's still cute, so I guess it'll look cute on my coffee table. And the pictures are nice inside. Like, if you look inside, it's got nice pictures. Oh well. Anyway guys, I'm about to go into the salon, so I'll see. So I've just been in the salon and I've just had my colour refresh. Take this headband out so you can see. The blonde's been refreshed. I got some blonde bits at the front. It looks so much better. So yeah, I feel as though it looks nicer. So I'm just gonna have something to eat now because I'm starving. So I was in there for a long time. I got it cut as well, but I'm really hungry. And then I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to B&Q and we are going to get the paint. I'm eating a BLT sandwich from the Co-op. This is really nice. You know, when I picked this, I was like, meh. Right, so smoked bacon with vine ripened tomato, seasoned mayonnaise, Apollo and iceberg lettuce on malted bread. Shout out if you know this song. Anyway guys, I am heading off to B&Q and I will see you at B&Q. Bye. So you want to know, guys, you want to know something embarrassing? Luckily I had a mask on because I was walking around B&Q like this. Girl. So obviously from getting my hair washed, and the same on this side. Oh well. Anyways, let me go through what I got at B&Q. So I got 2 of these. These are like dust sheets for the house. Well, not for the house, for my room, for my bed and things. Keep it clean. And I got the Valspar kitchen and bathroom, which is this paint, and it's in called Harpsichord, which is like a nice grey. And then for the bedroom, I got the V500, and this is in the silk, and this is in Tulip Time, which is this colour here. And then I also got some non-drip gloss for glossing the doors and the skirting board. And then I also got this. I got some, these came in like a pack of 3. They're painting tray, set of painting liner trays. So yeah, that's what I got. And yeah, so I guess that's pretty much it. I might end the vlog here. It might be a bit more, I'm not sure. But if it's the end, thank you for watching, and until next time, bye.